Hello, this is the 75th lecture of the Semantic SEO course. In this lecture, we will continue to examine this specific article that comes from this specific content brief. So you will realize that one more time in our contextual vector, we see that certain types of represented question variations are being used for this specific one, which means that in this specific part, we have given the most main answer. Then in the macro context area, we have given the main answer first, then we have variated it in a summative way. Then we continue to ask the same question by connecting it to the water percentage in body and the factors for it and the functions for it. Then we actually have given these factors. Then we started to explain this specific question based on demographic terms like adult, boys, girls, teens. You should understand one more thing here is that first we go actual demographic terms, then we go models and atlas, which are the most related two classes for drinking water or water, let's say, daily water intake measurement. And in this area, you see that one more time we go with the demographics. It's happening because these are the most important demographic terms, and we are already covering here some certain types of teen or teenager related things. And after that, we go with the occupations. Then we go with the demographic one more time. The purpose here is actually not delaying these any further, because this one here, it won't be changing the relevance that much. But if this specific or teenager or teen related vocabulary has been used in the queries, this section will be heavier. But since it is a less, let's say, a smaller probability, and since we already processed most of the demographic terms, then we don't want to delay this further, because if we delay it, the weight of the connected queries here in that query network, it will be lessened as well. So always, as you realize, we give a specific type of direct answer, and sometimes we give the conditions like exercising or not exercising. Then we go with some extra sections like older adults. Then we go again with the boys, and boys also grow up. That's why we give ages and different types of conditions which are reflected here too, like age. And again, health conditions, lifestyle, which is lifestyle here. We have exercise, and one more time it is connected here too. As I say, nothing here is random. We always give everything in a proper order. For instance, if you go to this specific part, I am using this section, which is here, but I guess there is a different simple phrase here, like here. So in this part, we need to give actually 3 organizations and 3 experts, and we do it like Health Organization or World Health Organization, US Food and Drug Administration, and experts like Kim Chin or Dr. Courtney Moore and Cleveland Clinic and some other experts as well. When it comes to this one here, we mention a source and the expert name, for instance, and we also do it in these type of areas too. For instance, here, when we look at the specific section, we will see Dr. Jenny, let's say, Ritty, Division of the Chief of Community Pediatrics at the MedStar Georgetown University Hospital, has similar recommendations we directly tell. And American Academy of the Pediatrics are here too. You see that there is a specific type of preceding question here, which means that we will need to be using this question as is inside our, let's say, paragraph as well, and we are using it directly here too. And we give a representative visual answer directly by branding it as well. If you look at here too, it's same. Is it bad to drink too much water will need to be used actually as an anchor text, which is used here too. If I open it, you will realize that there is a similar structure here as well, because this is a represented question in a way too, like what happens when you drink too much water, and is it bad to drink too much water? So drink too much water section here has been actually matched directly, and it is also being used in this specific heading as well. And when we look at these sections here too, you will see that actually we are using different types of institutions like university, Korea, blah blah blah, and different types of doctors or certain types of experts have been used in this section as well. So my main point here is that nothing is definitely random, and as you realize, we have more unique images, numeric values, resources, experts, and a proper contextual flow. Sentence structures are properly adjusted, modalities are adjusted, images are adjusted, and everything has been connected to each other across different web pages as well. So in the next lecture, we will look at this specific content brief, which is directly here, and from there we will continue. Thank you.